How are you? My name is Roshan. Today we will learn computer of class 3. Chapter name is Introduction to Windows 7. This chapter describes the component of desktop, state the function of taskbar, change the desktop background and change the screensaver. So now, what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is the operating system. What is Windows 7? Is a operating system. What is the operating system? The operating system is a part of system software that runs on computer. It manages all the input and output tasks. Now, what is the operating system? The operating system is a part of system software that runs on computer. It manages all the input and process output tasks. There are different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Unix, Macintosh. So there are different type of operating system in the market. Okay. Now there are different operating system. Windows is the most commonly used operating system. It was developed by a company called Microsoft Corporation. Okay, now we will learn desktop. When we switch on the computer, the Windows operating system start automatically. The first screen that appears on the monitor is called desktop. What is this? This is desktop. Okay. Now, next, the desktop has various parts. First is icons. This is icon. Okay. Second is taskbar. This is taskbar. Okay. Now, next is navigation bar, navigation area. Now next is start button. So these are the example of desktop parts. Okay. Now what is this? This is icon. This is icon. The desktop has some small or pictures with names. These symbols are called icons. What is this? This is icon. Now we can double click these icons to open a specific program or document. Computer network. Which type of icons? This is the computer network. And which type of? This is the computer. My computer. And which type of icons? This is the recycle bin icons. So now network and recycle bin are the commonly seen icon on the desktop. Computer icons. My computer icons. What is this? This is my computer icons. Double click this icon takes you to the windows. This window gives information about folder, files, pictures, storage device, hardware, hard disk, etc. This is network icons. What is this? This is network icons. This icon takes you to window that show different networks. Now next is recycle bin. What is this? This is like recycle bin. This icon takes you to windows that display file and folder that have been deleted. Okay. Now next part is the taskbar. What is this? This is taskbar. This section is the middle section. This section is the middle section. The middle section of the taskbar is empty. You can add application button to this area. Okay. Now this is start button. Start button, the left hand of taskbar has start button. Now next, this is application button. What is this? This is application button. Clicking on the application button will be open the program quickly. This section also show program. This section also show program that are currently open or running. This allow us to switch between them easily. Okay. Now next, notification bar. This is notification bar. The right hand of the taskbar is called notification area or notification bar. This area show the clock, group of buttons that show start and notification about network connection, volume, updates, etc. This is the show desktop. On clicking the button, all open windows are minimized and the desktop is displayed. Start button. What is this? This is start button. What is this? Start button. What is start button? You will see the start button on the bottom left of the desktop on taskbar. This button gives you access to the different program on your computers. When we left click on start button, the start menu appear. This type of menu appear on the screen. Okay. Now we will learn about notification area. What is this? This is notification area. This is the extreme right portion of the taskbar. This area show icons for these system and program features which cannot be put on the desktop. Okay. Some common icons display on the notification area. What is this? This is the volume icon and sound speaker. Next, this is the network connection. Okay. Now next is window update notification. What is this? This is window update notification and this is the antivirus software icons. Okay. Now next is this icon and notification display in this area can be changed. It is also possible to hide or unhide them. Once you hide the icons, we will not receive a notification regarding its change or upgrade. Now we have learned how to change desktop background. First of all, what is desktop background? The picture or pattern visible on the monitor when all the monitor are minimized or closed is called desktop background. Now let's see how to change desktop background. Let's see how to change desktop background. This is the blank background. Now first of all, on the desktop, right click on empty space. After that, the shortcut menu appear. Okay. Then click on personalize option. This is the personalize option. Okay. Click on personalize option. After that, the personalize option window appear on desktop. Then click on the desktop background option. This is the desktop background. Click on the desktop background option. After the desktop background window appear on screen. Then click on the down arrow in the front of picture location to expand the drop down list and select required location. A list of image in that location appear. Now next, select the required image and click on Save Change button. Then the desktop background is changed. Okay, student, we have learned how to change desktop background. Now next is how to change screen saver. First of all, what is screen saver? When the computer remains idle for short time on image pops on the screen, that is called screen saver. So now let's see how to change screen saver. Now, first of all, click on the desktop, then shortcut menu appear on the screen, then click on personalization option. After that, click the personalized window appear on the screen, then click on screen saver option. Click on screen saver option, then the screen saver setting window appear on desktop. Then click on down arrow. Click on down arrow screen saver to expand the drop down list and select the screen saver. After that, a mini preview of screen saver is visible. Then click OK. So okay student, today we have learned about Windows 7 and desktop parts and how to change desktop background and screen saver. So okay student, I hope you understood very well. Thank you.